What's the last web page you landed on that made you click buy without a second thought? They probably had a very high converting page. Hey, I'm Faye with Constant Creates, and as a person dedicated to building and expanding brands, I know a thing or two about how to make a web page a little more appealing. Today, we're talking about landing pages and sales pages. While they're very similar, they perform unique roles in your marketing strategy. By the end of our time together, you'll understand the differences and when to use each page type, and a couple things to keep in mind so that they don't just look good, they also convert. Whether you're aiming to gather leads or drive sales, we've got your blueprint, so let's jump right in. Your website, or more specifically the web pages that build up your website, are a chance to deliver information and communicate your brand story to your customer. They're such an important part of the customer journey. But what types are there and what roles do they play? The first entry point to your website that's supposed to have a lasting impact is your landing page. It's a standalone page designed with a single focused objective. Whether that's capturing leads with a freebie or encouraging a specific action, a landing page is your chance to market to your audience. There are also sales pages, which are a little more specific and a little more persuasive. It's meant to turn your visitor into a customer. It's detailed, it's convincing, and it's where your product or service shines, urging visitors to make that all-important decision to purchase. Sales pages come in all shapes and sizes, from a long-form sales page detailing every inch of an offer to short-form pages that cut right to the chase. Whether you're launching a new product or using a video to capture leads, each type of page has a distinct role in guiding your customers. Understanding these pages is the first step to using their power to convert visitors into loyal customers. With the right design and strategy, these pages become your digital ambassadors. Knowing whether to use a landing page or a sales page helps you to pave the easiest path for your audience to navigate your website. Landing pages are perfect for greeting guests with a specific goal in mind. Use them when capturing service leads or steering a marketing campaign. Make sure it's intuitively designed, has impactful content on it, and a strategic call to action placed in there. Examples of call to action can be download now, or sign up and save, or subscribe, or get started. Whatever is needed to make your visitor take the next step. Sales pages, on the other hand, are your digital sales pitch. They're best when you need to unpack product details, show off benefits, and share glowing testimonials to turn browsers into buyers. Here, attention-grabbing headlines and persuasive copy are your best friends, and of course, you'll want to incorporate calls to action like buy now. The choice between a landing page and a sales page hinges on what you want your campaign to do. Is it lead generation or brand awareness or direct sales? Whether it's a brief hello of a landing page or the persuasive pitch of a sales page, you ultimately want to do what aligns with your business goals. Choose wisely and watch your conversions climb. Creating pages that not only catch the eye, but convert a visitor into a customer is an art. But really, the secret to a successful landing page is clarity and simplicity. Your value proposition should be clear, your design straightforward. Your website should work well with most mobile devices too. As for your sales page, think of it as your digital salesperson. Pack it with comprehensive product info, glowing testimonials, and a call to action that is persuasive. Address your customers' pain points, highlight the wins, and always back it up with social proof. Don't overload your pages with info or confuse them with too many offers. Keep your mobile users front and center too, and avoid a one-size-fits-all approach. Test, optimize, and then test some more. Whether it's a landing page or a sales page, the aim is to lead your visitor to a duh, of course I'll buy it. Keep it simple, make it valuable, and they'll keep coming back for more. All right, now it is over to you. Use these tips to fine-tune your own web pages. I'd love to hear about your experiences and challenges with these, so drop a comment below and we can continue the conversation. Keep refining, keep testing, and keep optimizing your website to keep up conversions. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share this, and check in every Monday for more brand design knowledge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating and keep growing. Bye!